I am a small business owner and I am founder of the Flowtra AI. You can call me Loudly. And I quickly to show you our latest the several feature for you. We provided the AI advertising very cheaper and affordable, especially for the small business. And this the use case is the True Fresh machine is to clear the is a clean table and
Keep
this
your washer
video
fresh
is
and
using
odor-free with
our
TrueFresh washing machine cleaner
character
tablets. Get 25 tablets for
advertising
just
and you can
$22.97 to experience deep cleaning that
customize
lasts.
the character to say what you want to say. And the second feature is the way using the standard advertising and you have two most cheap choice. The first is using the view 3 models. You don't need to care about what
What's
is the
lurking
view 3,
inside
you
your
just
washing
know
machine? Dirt,
the
grime,
per
and breeding
8
grounds for
second video
bacteria.
you need to
But now
spend
introducing TrueFresh Washing Machine Cleaner.
36 centuries, and you can see, and we also the two option is the Sora 2. You shall listen from listen another way, and it support 10 seconds, and with the price is 10 central videos, and you can compare which you prefer. We all support this the best the view models. So thank you for watching video, and if you use the most cheaper and useful the AI advertising, you can take a break to watch the Flowtra AI website. Thank you for watching my video.